Welcome back, bookworms. This is Mrs. K. I'm glad you could join me. I have a question for you. Are you ready? What would you do if a monster moved into your family's washing machine? I'm not talking about a snake or a lizard either. Nope. I'm talking about an 8-legged purple creature from unknown depths that has made cleaning clothes impossible and doesn't plan to leave ever. Let's enjoy the magic of reading as we read together When a Monster Moves into Your Washing Machine, written by Randy Johnson and illustrated by Rick Sanders. And let's find out the clever and funny way this family gets the monster to leave.
Lots of things that are scary live deep in the sea, but not all of them do. You could take it from me. For the scariest creature that I've ever seen made a home in my mother's new washing machine. Oh my. A bright purple monster, all slimy and fat, with 8 lilac arms going this way and that. How it got in there, we hadn't a clue. And what ocean it came from, not one of us knew. But since its arrival one dark, stormy night, my mother's new washer just hasn't run right. It jumps and it thumps, then it rattles and rocks, and it always leaves dirt on my favorite socks. We tried washing on cold. We tried washing on hot. The result was the same. Clean clothes they were not. I can tell you for certain, nothing ever comes clean when a monster moves into your washing machine. Those long, slimy arms showed incredible reach as it ate Mom's detergent and drank all her bleach. And what did we get for all of those troubles? A monster that burped and belched out soap bubbles. All day and all night, this creature stayed busy. 100 spin cycles would not make it dizzy. Sadly, my family began to believe this thing in Mom's washer might not ever leave. Then I had an idea. We should wash different clothes. The mere thought of this plan made me wrinkle my nose. See, I have a kid brother. And while I sure love that lad, when he poops in his diaper, it really smells bad. I whispered my plan into my mother's ear. She said, "Yes, that is something this monster might fear." So into the kitchen, I trailed after my mother and watched various foods go into my brother. Broccoli, bananas, black beans, and prunes. 3 hours later, we got hit by the fumes. Mom's special dinner had taken its toll, and we had a ripe diaper, blacker than coal. Ooh. I stood a safe distance away from that blob as my mother worked fast and completed the job. Then she tossed in the diaper, set the washer to on, and in no time at all, that monster was gone. It changed from bright purple to a pale, sickly green and was gasping for air as it left Mom's machine. It gagged and it coughed, then it ran from the room. One monster that won't be back anytime soon.
Well, bookworms, if you enjoyed When a Monster Moves into Your Washing Machine, be sure to check it out at your local library or buy a copy for yourself from your favorite bookstore. If you enjoyed my Read Aloud video, please give it a thumbs up and become an official bookworm and subscribe. Until next time, enjoy the magic of reading.